Yeah, go ahead.
Whoa, look at that toy.
Oh, it's quite something. I've only had it for a couple days. I'll come back. I'll come back.
If the dog gets a hold of it.
I think she's going to be able to pull me over in a couple more months. Stop! You can't have it. It's not yours. No.
I'm sorry. I can set it down if you want, or are you okay?
I'm okay now.
Okay.
I'm sad. I don't think she can drag me anywhere. Ah, you're bad.
I had a bird chase me for a couple seconds earlier.
Really?
Yeah. I saw videos online of people having big birds chase them.
That is so cool. What's it called?
It's called a quadcopter. You know, like a helicopter except for 4 blades, they call it a quadcopter.
How much did it cost?
This was $100, which is actually fairly reasonable for...
Yeah, I got my nephew a helicopter last year.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I had so much fun with it. But
Yeah, I just learned on a really small helicopter. That was only like $45, and now I moved on to this.
that's cool. Oh, no, you can't have it. No. Are they delicate like
This is only 91 grams. It's not too delicate though. I could probably let it fall out of the sky and it wouldn't break.
Okay. Well,
This will do a cool little flip trick.
oh man, that is so cool. Sorry, no.
I'm not gonna do another one though, because that looked like it dropped pretty far before it caught itself. I think it's losing some power.
Oh, I gotta get one.
Caught it for a second.
I got it at Hobbytown, USA, and they have a smaller one for $70 that's a little more indoor, but it can be flown outdoors. It has an outdoor controller.
Oh, I want him to have that one. That one looks like so much fun. I got him a microscope for his birthday this year.
Yeah.
Last year I got a helicopter.
These are getting more and more popular by the month, by the week almost. Yeah.
It's not as long, but intelligent, you know? I should buy Glory one, huh? Tear it up.
I'm kind of curious. Kind of curious how much power it's actually putting out now. 'Cause that's actually bothering me. I don't like that.
She's really good with kids. She's overactive or whatever, like hyperactive. What do you call kids that
I don't know what's going on right there. Dump the throttle. Now you're gonna have to run and get it. Oliver. Hey, bud. The wind's pushing you that way. Turn and go this way. Eventually you'll learn to use the strafe, or the rudder button. I know it gets a little difficult, but you can use the left and right on. You always get your left and right backwards. That might be an issue with one of these. Throttle down. Come this way. See? Doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Saved yourself a couple times. Throttle up a little bit.
I tried.
That was all the way up.
Yeah, and then it's not that.
It might be out. I forgot it's on 60. Yeah, seems to be doing okay. It's just barely a breeze out, so. I'm gonna go over the grass over here. Definitely not gonna try to do any flips or anything with the, yeah, not right now. So I guess that's 85% throttle with all that weight. You know, 77%. Look, there's wires right there. Yeah, that's only 53% throttle now. Oops. That's how still out it is tonight. Oh, it rained earlier. Or, it didn't rain, but I heard thunder, I swear, at one point today from the distance. Yeah.